there'll be no crying for you. The sun will be shining, 'cause it feels that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's alright. And the songbirds keep singing like they know this score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's alright. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.
Free yourself of the guitar. What a fantastic way to end the first part of the show. Guys, that was impressive. Good work. Thanks, Aaron. Who would like to speak? Judges. Thank you very much.
Well, I get the name right again. Maria, this is the third time I've heard you, and I've enjoyed it every single time. Every single time. Again, you come out with a unique image, something that's just you, and that's really valuable. Someone who actually knows their identity is not going to conform to what somebody else says. And for those who don't know, on X Factor, on things like that, they tell you exactly what to sing, they tell you exactly what to wear, they decide your makeup, they tell you every single facet of your performance. Don't let someone change that, ever, okay? Two critical things, constructive critical things. Watch your tongue at the back of your throat, you're lifting it up, and you're pulling in your evals, which is slightly distracting at times. You've got a lovely voice. Have that confidence to hit those high notes, okay? Just go straight for them. Don't think, I'm not saying you necessarily are, but maybe you're thinking, I'm not sure I can do this right now or something. Just go for it. You've got a stunning voice. I just enjoy listening to you sing. And I don't think you realise, but when you're singing, I'm not saying you're not now, but your face shines. Literally shines. It radiates enjoyment. Not just that you are enjoying it, it radiates enjoyment. And I hardly ever see that. That's absolutely brilliant. I think it's easy to take for granted that you're playing and singing at the same time.